Hello everyone, Lirams here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new into this channel, darling, you are more than welcome. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But if you are a regular, you guys know how much I appreciate you. So on today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair. So as you guys can see that I already put on my bald wig cap using a good to be spray, and I'm literally just trying to cut it now.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me.
So you really need to be careful, guys, when you're doing this, because trust me, you do not want to cut those edges. So yeah, take it easy. I mean, like, I see you in the
Giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line.
So right now I'm gonna go in with my got to be glue gel just to secure my wig cap, because girl, you don't want that wig cap to be moving while you're busy installing your hair. And also, when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you're using a very small amount of the gel, because yeah, it can be messy at times, you know what I'm saying?
So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion.
Okay, now let's dry that up, because girl, you really need to make sure that it's dried up, because you don't want your wig to be busy sticking on that glue while you're busy fitting it.
No compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out.
And now I'm gonna go in with my foundation just to try to make sure that my wig cap is matching my face complexion, especially if you are going to apply makeup after this. So you really need that balance. However, when you're applying this, guys, you need to be careful, because hey, you've really worked hard for that wig cap to stick like that, so you don't want to mess it up.
Make up your mind, we're running out of time.
And you know the rumors, you must blend.
It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind.
Guys, I know it looks crazy right now, but you know what, you must trust the process. And then we dry it, guys, because we don't want to put our wig while it's still wet.
Lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom.
Alright, so now you're gonna place your wig exactly how you want it to be. This will help you to know where exactly to apply your gel glue. And you also want to make sure that there's no hair that's stuck under your wig. So that's what I'm trying to do now.
Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love like rain in the morning.
Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in with my got to be glue gel, and I'm gonna apply it exactly where I want to lay my wig. And when you're doing this, guys, you need to be careful not to touch your wig cap. So yeah, one step at a time. And as you can see, guys, I'm not applying too much of the gel. I'm just applying enough. So with this process, it really depends on how long you want your wig to last you. Now I'm just gonna apply just one layer because I'm literally going to take off this wig just before I go to bed. So if you want it to last you longer, you can apply 2 or 3 layers of the got to be glue gel. This part here, guys, is very important, going in with the got to be spray, especially if you want your installation to last longer. So even when you're doing it, okay, guys, you still need to be careful not to touch your wig cap. But if it happens you spray your wig cap like I just did, you can still fix it by drying it up with some cool air.
And it's too much sometimes, makes the potion.
Hi, okay, at this point you want to make sure that your glue gel is dry. So you literally have to wait for about 15 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm trying my best to wait, guys. But also you can still feel it. Oh, you see that? That's what you want to see. That's how you know that your glue gel is ready. So now we're gonna pull our wig and try to place it exactly where we want it to be. Okay, guys, you need to be careful, girl, when you're doing this, because you don't want to drag that wig because you might mess it up.
Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising.
So I'm going to melt this installation with my got to be glue spray and my olive oil mousse. This step is very important, okay, guys.
Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind.
And now it's time to bopa. We need to bopa this thing, okay, guys, to make sure it's not coming off, to make sure it's seated. And wait about another 15 minutes. But also while we're waiting, I am going to be busy taking care of these girls. I mean, you guys can see right there I am a mess. But don't worry, we're gonna be fixing that just now. So to define my curls, I am going to be using water and this conditioner. As you can see, guys, I already mixed it in there. And I'm gonna try to section this hair into 4 because you all can see it's big moss and I have small nyana hands. So you wanna go in, guys, with a small amount of your mixture, and while doing that you want to keep combing your hair with a brush or your whatever comb that you use for your curls.
So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well.
Okay, guys, so this side is almost done. As you can see what the mixture is doing to this hair, guys, the curls are now more defined. I mean, like, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that?
You feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions. And it's too much sometimes, mix the potion. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to.
Okay, now I want to fix that line just to make sure that it's straight and on point. Otherwise, guys, don't worry, we are almost done. We're almost there.
Try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well you feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions. And it's too much sometimes, mix the potion. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well you feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me.
Alright, so now I like to call this moment a moment of truth because this is when we're going to see yonke lento besiyenza apha, was it worth it or not? Oh, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that lace? I told you, you guys need to trust the process. So now we're just going to do the small nyana fixing, and after that we're gonna be good to go.
Mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread.
And then we are done. I mean, like, guys, look at those cows. Look at that installation. I don't know about you guys, but now I'm happy. And I hope you guys learned one or two things from this video. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit that like button. See you again next time. Bye.
Lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes.